Hello, thank you for being here for your crown chakra reading for the week for the collective. So happy to be doing this reading. This is one of my favorite cards of all my decks, and I've pulled it a lot this year. So it's kind of like my card. So I'm happy to see it again. She's an old friend. This is our third eye. This is our crown chakra reading. So this is really about how we are connecting to our sources of, higher energies, other dimensions, and really having this communication between the realm, the 3D realm, and the other realms. And again, I've been saying this all week, but I just love the pairing of the cards this week. They really are speaking to me. So this is for the crown chakra itself, and then this is from the divine chakra coming in to assist and help ascend this chakra's energy. So I'm getting here that there is a feeling of a younger, naive version of yourself. And again, we've got this energy that I've seen popping up, this sort of like ho-hum, kind of sad, kind of introspective energy, a little bit sorry for oneself energy going on here. So there may be a feeling of like you're not feeling quite connected, a little bit of a Debbie Downer with your spirituality this week, and not feeling that blessing from it, that ability to connect to it, because you're focused on something that's low vibrational. And I feel like this might be something that has been with you for a while. It might be from your past. It might be from when you were a younger person, a young adult, late teen, young adult, especially. But it just feels like an energy that you've been carrying with you for a while, or you're dealing with something from that era that is making you go back into that energy of understanding what it was like to be where you were during that time in your life. And it seems like you're trying to make peace with it. Like you're not happy about it, but there is a sense that you need to make time to make the peace, like that it's time for peace, and like you can't linger in this energy forever. It's having its moment to be resolved now. And I feel like you're being protected by spirit, like it's there and available for you if you want. And that may be actually what you need to open up to really get to this inner peace. Because when you feel isolated from source and you feel, as your own unit, like you're too independent and you don't realize your interdependence on the universe and how it's there to support you, you can feel at a loss within your own resources of emotions and thoughts that you can generate. So I'm highly encouraging you as a healing modality to find a way to acknowledge and be in conversation with something that's higher, because really we're just seeing you all alone, and it's almost like you feel invisible in this sort of personal suffering that you're going through. And it's low energy, like I said, it's draining you. The need for peace is draining you even. So then we have this super high vibrational, masterful energy here to assist you. And it speaks of moving energy. It speaks of using the energies around us and knowing where to move them, and how to get things flowing and activated again. So this is definitely, and this has been integrated into all the readings this week, I feel too. So we may all be experiencing something in a partnership that has been intimate, definitely on a physical level. And there is somehow a lack of empowerment, a lack of joy, a lack of energy around this. And it needs to be healed, because, it's that energy that's really our root chakra and sacral chakra, our lower vibrations. But it's because that energy is so off, it's blocking the energy of all the other ones. And, they all need to be in tune to really be a fully present person. So I highly encourage you to look at any way that you can heal this space. Right now I'm getting the idea of a meditation involving your heart space and visualizing it as a sun, and it's just glowing and breathing sunlight. I'm imagining a visualization for yourself, really imagining yourself filled with this type of energy that you want to feel, perhaps through a sexual bond or a physical bond with someone else, and needing to know how to pull that energy into yourself and not needing another person to bring that to you, which also came up in a reading. I think it was for the root chakra this week, maybe the sacral. You need to definitely see the power that you have as a creative being, and the power that you can hold just understanding these energies, getting in touch with your energetic self. And this can be just super revitalizing. You may even want to do something that explores you as a goddess, as you may want to dress up, use makeup, do something that just really personifies the energy that you want to feel. Almost like we do during Halloween, how everyone gets in costumes, especially in our modern times. Not everyone, but it's been more of a sexually charged holiday as of late, with the costumes that have, this edginess, this tantalizing feel. So I'm kind of getting that energy off of it, like recreating the energy, and somehow it allows you to reinvite it into your life, like invoking that through this sense of play, and this could even be elements that you can integrate into how you, if you're in public, into how you present yourself, bringing elements that are a little bit more suggestive and carry that energy that you need to possess throughout the day. So it could be something, as far as jewelry goes, or like I said, a way of doing your makeup, clothing that you're wearing. But there's something here that you really need to be taking charge of and saying, yes, I am not, an empty vessel that's dull and I have nothing going on and my life is empty and everything is just blah. Please find a way to take charge and bring this energy back, nurture this energy back into yourself. And I just feel that in you doing this and taking, because you have such power and such choice to do this, and simply choosing to say, I am not empty, but I am full, and filling yourself up. It's marvelous, like how you can completely transform yourself from that to, from nothing to everything. And you have the power in and of yourself to do that. You don't need anything beyond you. So, again, I hope this is helpful, as I always do every day. And I am sending you blessings. Please join again. We'll start the cycle over with the root chakra tomorrow. Take care.